Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audiovisual storage needs. In today's tutorial, we will demonstrate how to assemble an STDRT-II with lower rack. First, lay your base on a scratch-resistant surface and attach the back as shown. Tilt the desk to standing and attach the other side panel. Attach the top of the desk as shown and tighten all cams. Be careful not to over-tighten. Install the rack header as shown and tighten cams. Put the table in place with the grooves and then tighten all cams securely on the underside to hold the table in place. Tip the desk on its face with its back in the air. Install the rack panel as shown and tighten the cams. On the outside of the rack, install the table brace. Install the rack tambour by inserting into the lower slot and keeping even as you roll. Install bottom panel of the rack with cams facing down. Tighten all cams. Install the main tambour by inserting into the upper slot and rolling down evenly. Place the stop blocks and tighten. Place the rear access panel for the rack into position and tighten with screws. Lift desk to standing and install handles on the lead tambour and on the rack. If a modesty panel is included, put into place and tighten. Thank you for choosing HSA for all your audio-visual storage needs.